Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way.
Hi, friends! We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two important phrases, might as well and would rather.
These expressions help you make decisions and express preferences.
Understanding them makes your English sound more natural.
They're used constantly in everyday conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll use both confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @Sithara Parijatham for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much @Sithara Parijatham. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these phrases mean.
They're both about making choices, but in very different ways.
Might as well means you'll do something because there's no better alternative.
Would rather means you prefer one thing over another.
Let's explore each one.
Phrase 1, might as well.
Might as well means you'll do something because why not? There's no reason not to.
The key idea is accepting a situation and making the best of it.
Structure, subject plus might as well plus base verb.
I might as well go. We might as well try. She might as well stay.
Uses of might as well.
Use 1, when there's no better alternative.
It's raining. We might as well stay home. No point going out.
The store is closed. I might as well come back tomorrow. No other choice.
Use 2, when something is easy or doesn't cost much effort.
I'm already here, so I might as well help. I'm here anyway.
We might as well finish it now. We're almost done.
Use 3, showing resignation or acceptance.
We might as well give up. There's no point continuing.
We might as well admit it. No use denying.
Phrase 2, would rather.
Would rather expresses a clear preference for one thing over another.
The key idea is choosing what you want more.
Structure, subject plus would rather plus base verb.
I would rather stay. She would rather walk. We would rather wait.
Uses of would rather.
Use 1, expressing preferences.
I would rather eat pizza than burgers. I prefer pizza.
She would rather read than watch TV. She prefers reading.
Use 2, politely declining or suggesting alternatives.
I would rather not go. Polite refusal.
I'd rather do it myself. Prefer to do it alone.
Use 3, stating what you'd prefer in hypothetical situations.
I would rather be rich than famous, if I could choose.
The key differences.
Might as well equals resignation, no better option, accepting the situation.
Would rather equals preference, actively choosing what you want more.
Might as well often implies you're not thrilled about it.
Would rather shows what you actually want.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, what should we do this weekend? It's supposed to rain.
Well, if it's raining, we might as well stay home and watch movies.
I'd rather do something more active, even indoors.
Like what?
I would rather go to the gym or maybe the indoor climbing place.
That sounds tiring. I might as well just relax at home.
Come on, we've been home all week. We might as well get some exercise while we can.
You make a good point. Okay, but I'd rather go to the gym than climbing. Climbing is too hard.
Fair enough. I'd rather do either than sit at home all day.
All right, you convince me. We might as well go in the morning when it's less crowded.
Perfect. I'd rather go early anyway.
Did you notice both phrases?
We might as well stay home. No better option in the rain.
I'd rather do something more active. Preference.
I would rather go to the gym. Clear preference.
I might as well just relax, accepting the easy option.
We might as well get some exercise. Making the best of it.
I'd rather go to the gym than climbing, choosing between two.
I'd rather do either than sit at home. Preference.
We might as well go in the morning. Good idea. Why not?
I'd rather go early anyway.
Both phrases use naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using might as well when you have a strong preference.
Wrong feeling. I might as well eat chocolate, if you love chocolate.
Better, I would rather eat chocolate. Shows preference.
Might as well sounds like you don't care much.
Mistake 2. Forgetting rather after would.
Wrong feeling. I would eat pizza. Correct. I would rather eat pizza.
Need rather.
Mistake 3. Using to after would rather.
Wrong. I would rather to go. Correct. I would rather go.
Use base verb, no to.
Mistake 4. Using wrong form after might as well.
Wrong. Might as well going. Correct. Might as well go.
Base verb only.
Mistake 5. Confusing the meanings.
Might as well is not enthusiastic. It's accepting.
Would rather shows what you really want.
Might as well in different contexts.
When plans fall through.
The concert is canceled. We might as well get a refund.
When you're already doing something.
I'm already cooking. I might as well make extra.
When giving up.
I've tried everything. I might as well quit. Would rather in different contexts.
Expressing preferences.
I would rather have coffee than tea.
Polite refusals.
I'd rather not talk about it.
Comparing options.
I would rather walk than take the bus. Tone and feeling.
The emotions behind each phrase.
Might as well often sounds resigned, neutral, or practical.
I might as well pay the fine. Not happy, but accepting.
Would rather sounds definite and shows what you want.
I'd rather pay on time. This is what I prefer.
Might as well with may as well.
Same meaning.
Might as well and may as well are interchangeable.
I might as well go equals I may as well go.
Both are correct.
Would rather with contractions.
Shortened forms.
I would rather to I'd rather.
We would rather to we'd rather.
Very common in speech.
She'd rather stay home. They'd rather wait.
Negative forms.
Saying what you don't want.
Might as well negative is might as well not.
I might as well not bother. No point trying. Would rather negative. Would rather not.
I would rather not go. I prefer not to.
I'd rather not discuss it. Please don't make me. Might as well for suggestions.
Proposing ideas.
We might as well leave now. Why not leave now?
You might as well tell them. Good idea to tell.
Casual suggestions.
Would rather for strong preferences.
What you really want.
I would rather die than apologize. Very strong.
I'd rather walk than ask for help. Pride.
Shows determination.
Comparing both in the same situation.
Different perspectives.
Scenario. It's raining. Movie plans canceled.
Person 1. We might as well watch a movie at home. Accepting the situation.
Person 2. I'd rather go out anyway, rain or not. Strong preference.
Shows different attitudes.
Might as well with since and if.
Adding conditions.
Since we're here, we might as well eat.
If it's closed, we might as well go home.
Common patterns.
Would rather with than.
Comparing options. I would rather cook than order takeout.
She'd rather study than go to the party.
Then connects the two choices. Would rather for someone else.
What you want others to do.
I would rather you didn't tell anyone. I prefer you don't.
I'd rather you stayed here. I want you to stay.
Structure changes. Would rather plus subject plus past tense.
Tricky but important.
In questions.
Asking about preferences.
Would you rather stay or go? Which would you rather do?
Might as well rarely used in questions.
Usually statement form.
Real life scenarios.
At a restaurant.
The steak is sold out. I might as well get the chicken. Accepting.
I would rather have fish than chicken. Preference.
At work. The meeting is delayed. I might as well finish this report.
I'd rather work from home today.
Making plans.
It's getting late. We might as well stay in.
I'd rather go out even if it's late.
Expressing indifference with might as well.
When you don't care much.
I might as well flip a coin. Both options are equal.
Might as well pick any color. Doesn't matter.
Shows lack of strong feeling.
Expressing conviction with would rather.
When you care deeply.
I would rather quit than compromise my values.
I'd rather be alone than with bad company. Shows strong beliefs. Might as well in advice.
Practical suggestions.
You might as well apply. What do you have to lose?
You might as well ask. The worst they can say is no.
Encouraging without pressure.
Would rather in personal boundaries.
Setting limits.
I'd rather not share personal information.
I would rather keep this private. Polite but firm.
With time expressions.
Adding when or time words.
I might as well do it now. We might as well start early.
I'd rather wait until tomorrow. I would rather go later.
Time-related decisions.
Past situations.
I would have rather stayed home, looking back with regret.
Different from present would rather.
Uses have plus past participle.
Cultural context.
How different cultures use these.
Might as well is very common in casual American English.
Would rather is universal across English-speaking countries.
Both are informal but acceptable in most situations.
Emphasis and stress.
Making it stronger.
I might just as well give up, even more resigned.
I would much rather stay. Very strong preference.
Stress changes the intensity.
Similar expressions.
Related phrases.
Similar to might as well, may as well, could just as well.
Similar to would rather, would prefer, would sooner.
Slightly different but close in meaning.
Might as well, showing efficiency.
Doing things that make sense.
I'm going to the store anyway, so I might as well get milk.
Since you're calling, you might as well ask about the price.
Practical thinking.
Would rather showing priorities.
What matters most to you?
I'd rather spend time with family than make extra money.
I would rather be happy than rich.
Shows your values.
More detailed scenarios.
Let's explore deeper examples.
Weather-related decisions.
It's too hot to walk. I might as well take a taxi. Practical choice.
I would rather walk despite the heat. Strong preference.
The forecast is bad, but I'd rather go hiking anyway. Preference wins.
Money and spending.
This shirt is on sale. I might as well buy it. Good deal. Why not?
I would rather save money than buy clothes. Priority.
It's expensive, but I'd rather pay more for quality. Values quality.
Health and fitness.
I'm already up. I might as well exercise. Makes sense.
I would rather rest than push myself too hard. Preference.
I'm tired, but I'd rather work out than skip it. Discipline.
Food choices.
This restaurant is closed. We might as well try that one. Alternative.
I would rather cook at home than eat out. Preference.
I'd rather skip dessert than feel too full. Choice.
Might as well, showing logic.
Reasonable decisions.
We're running late anyway, might as well stop for coffee. Already late.
I've already started. Might as well finish. Logical to continue.
The damage is done. Might as well be honest now. Makes sense.
Would rather showing character.
Revealing personality.
I'd rather face my fears than avoid them. Courageous.
I would rather be kind than be right. Values kindness.
I'd rather try and fail than never try. Brave.
Might as well in social situations.
Being practical.
Everyone's going. I might as well join them. Social pressure.
I'm here anyway. Might as well introduce myself. Good opportunity.
The party's already started. We might as well go in. No point waiting.
Would rather in social situations.
Setting boundaries.
I'd rather stay home than go to parties. Introvert.
I'd rather hang out one-on-one than in groups. Preference.
Quick review.
Might as well equals doing something because there's no better option.
Shows resignation, acceptance, practicality, making the best of it.
Structure, might as well plus base verb.
Feeling neutral, not enthusiastic. Why not?
Would rather equals clear preference for one thing over another.
Shows active choice, what you really want, strong feelings.
Structure, would rather plus base verb plus than plus option.
Feeling definite, showing what you want.
Might as well equals accepting the situation.
Would rather equals choosing what you prefer.
No to after either phrase. Use base verb.
Contractions, I'd rather. Very common.
Might as well equals may as well. Same meaning.
Use would rather not to politely refuse.
Use might as well when you're being practical.
Use would rather when you have a strong preference.
Both are informal but widely used.
You now understand both completely.
These phrases help you express decisions naturally.
Use might as well when accepting a situation.
Use would rather when expressing what you really want.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Which phrase do you use more often?
We love hearing from you.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Bye.